Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a couple of watch faces for you to check out that I think you just might like. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today we got a couple of watch faces for you all to check out by my man Bruno Prado. I'm telling you, I think you're going to like these two watch faces, especially the first one. Now, the name of the watch face is called Ascension. Very nice look, has an elegant look to it. I like the Roman numerals. I do like the dials. And in the always on mode, I like the color that you're going to get when it's in this mode. Very nice, unique look. And when the watch face is on, you get Roman numerals that's going around the bezel of the watch. I'm telling you, this watch face looks really, really nice. And you get your step info, and it is interactive, so you can get your step status, calories burned. You tap down at the bottom, and you can get your calendar just to see what day it is if you don't remember what day it is, and or set an event, right? And then if I tap right here, you get your weather, which I thought he did very good with giving you the bare essentials for what you would need on a watch face. Not a bad look, but if I double tap, I can customize the color of the watch face. Very nice. You have at least, I believe, 7 in all. Just tap till you get to the one you like. I have a problem double tapping behind the camera, but you can see where I'm getting at with this watch face. Very nice. I'm telling you, check this one out in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, let's check out number 2. Number 2. Now, number 2 is nice. I like what the developer did with this watch face. I like the design. I like the look. Now, the name of the watch face is called Electric Watch Face. Now, even in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, all the info, and you're going to get a bluish color so far as the design that's going around the bezel of the watch. And when the watch face is on, I really like the blending of these colors. I like the design of the icons as well. I like the way everything lights up, and it is interactive. So if I tap on the heart rate, it will bring up my heart rate. I can get my calendar info as well if I tap on the date. And I'm really liking this font here on this digital time. But if you want to set an alarm, you can also set an alarm. They got the day written out with a PM stamp. I'm loving that one. But yes, you can customize the colors. And the colors are vibrant. They're very nice, very unique combination. I like what the developer actually did with this watch face, guys. You got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts and what you thought of this watch face. Now, you get 9 different color changes in all. Just cycle through till you get to the one you like, and you're good to go. All right, you all, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Also, make sure you comment on this video as well. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell on the way out. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.